power bank. My husband is with Malatan, US. This power bank can last you for 3 days, even 4 days. I just want to say hello to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well. Just remain calm. Remain positive. Everything will be so fine. I can see that I'm giving a lot of people views now. That I'm giving a lot of people the food they never had. You know, I'm not handy right now. I'm occupied with many things. So don't worry, relax. Like this adage normally states itself that I want your police in the Mebum and then Uncle Chablojo. And no matter how evil that you perpetuated on this earth, one day will be your days of reckoning. So relax, don't panic. Ogechi will be fine. I am fine. I'm being taken care of. I'm well taken care of. When I'm support system, people are really there for me. I don't really watch what is going on. It's only my PA, a sister that turned, sorry, a friend that turned to a sister on this blue app, which is the Alenga. She's the one that updates me what is happening. I don't have time to start watching all these miscreants, these jobless fools, these good for nothing apes, these hungry vampires that did not achieve nothing in their lives. What I go? Ashi nde gini na she get touch up wuga to them more. What I go? I only follow advice. I only listen to people that advise me. A lot of people that are now around me advising me positively. You know, some of the things they want me to do, I'm just doing it because I love them. So don't panic. I saw a lot of people under my comment section asking me, "When you am able to when you no man am bold, unu manambu acheche na achiabo." Unu manambu constipation that you can never release easily. Agamabwarila go to na. Opangabarila ginike. You guys know very well. But in due time, let's watch and see. Let's see how it will play. That I don't live in Nigeria, that I don't have a lot of people. I did not organize all this jungle justice. Thank God a lot of you guys have started saying that I knew that. That is why a lot of people that are victorious today, they did not die in the front of their enemies. What I go is a wise person now, log very fulfilled, very fortified before you put any who agree again. What I go? Ojukwu later called for peace. That doesn't mean that he's a weak man. He's not. Many people that fought no call for peace. What I go? And that doesn't mean that they call for peace. They are weak. The word saying you can oppressor cannot oppress you. I am the last person an oppressor can oppress. What I go? I don't want to say much, but in the days and months and years ahead of us, there will be an earthquake raining on this blue app. What I go? Emashi ane berishiawa. Ekushi ba kuisha kushiko. What I go? And when people G my story now revive all their dead career on blue app. People that their career now had the upper hand to revive their dead career just because of pain. Why won't you revive it? Have you ever anchored a program before? Even 200 are watching. Ogechi give views. Ogechi bring you relevance. Ogechi is the key of the game. Without me, you cannot be relevant. I made kings and queens. Or more. Believe it or not. Take the jealousy, hide the men lamimo. You want to go? So let me stop here because I have a lot to say. But Kangba Bim here. I will see you when I see you. Bye for now.